Hi everybody, today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic of GCP Cloud Associate exam, that is regions and zones in Google Cloud. So guys, all of you know that we have been continuing one series in which we are presenting topics very precisely so that you can clear the exam GCP Cloud Associate with minimal effort and in minimum time. So I request everybody to watch those three parts before watching this video. So generally what we do is first we will discuss the theory part. After that we will discuss the questions that have been asked based on those concepts, and at the end of this playlist we will be doing a practical which will cover all the concepts. In this tutorial we are not going to solve the questions because the questions are not asked based on this concept directly, but we are certainly going to use these concepts in the upcoming tutorials. As you can see here, we have different regions in Google Cloud like US West 1, Europe North 1, Asia and so many. So guys, why these regions have been made is this is made for low latency. What is meant by low latency is that let's suppose you are right now in Europe, okay, and you want to access a database which is present in US West region, okay. So in that case, fetching the data from database which is present in US West 1, it will take more time. But if we create a replica of our database in Europe North 1 region, then in that case what will happen is that we can fetch data very easily in little time. So what is the advantages of these regions is that we have high availability and low latency. Okay, I hope you got this point. Now one question may be arising to your mind. Let's suppose you are present in United States, okay, and suddenly what happens is that the database present in US West 1 region collapsed or crashed. So in that case you will not be able to fetch the data because database is already crashed. So we need one solution for that, and the solution is zones. We have different zones in one region, okay. Let's suppose we have one region called US West 1, okay. So inside US West 1 we have different zones like US West 1A, like US West 1B. So why this has been made is, let's suppose we have only one database in US West 1 region. So if it crashes, then we do not have any fault tolerant capacity. But if we have different databases in different zones of US West 1 region, let's suppose we have two replicas of database in US West 1A and US West 1B. In that case, even if there is crash of US West 1A database, in that case we can fetch data from US West 1B. Helps us in fault tolerant and increased availability. So that's why the concept of zones and regions was introduced. So guys, I have tried my best to introduce concept of regions and zones to you. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for getting more updates regarding this.